Another 4 minutes. Flooding's bad, y'all. Yeah. Sorry, Lynn doesn't want to show her face.
I don't mind.
All the way over to that other road. Flooded. All that back there. My kids have got the Bluey opening stuck in my head. I'm over like all day long, just let me make sure I'm recording. Yep, I'm recording. There's probably some change in that debris. Oh my god. And then over here you got, it's receded some for real. But that road is impassable. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, guys. That was nuts. See you later. That was for a short.